Happy learning, future scientists, and welcome to the world of discoveries. I am Teacher Thea, your scientific teacher. As a jump start, let's have a review through an interactive game focusing cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. Are you ready? Let's start!
Welcome to the rainforest. Let's play. Let's play cold-blooded animals and warm-blooded animals. There will be 3 groups with 1 representative each, and each group will choose a buzzer. Your buzzer must be sound like animals. Click on the cold-blooded animal. Is that Pinta Island tortoise or polar bear? You're right, it's Pinta Island tortoise. Click on the cold-blooded animal. Is that flamingo or tuna? You're right, it's tuna. Click on the warm-blooded animal. Is that Spix, macaw, or salamander? You're right, it's Spix, macaw. Click the warm-blooded animal. Is that iguana or lion? You're right, it's lion. Click the warm-blooded animal. Is that black mamba or kangaroo? You're right, it's kangaroo. Thank you so much. Be a master, not a monster. Cruelty to creature and environment is cruelty to the creator.
I want you to meet Tonya the Explorer, my friend. And because helping others is loving, let us all help Tonya the Explorer solve her problem. Hello kids, I am Tonya the Explorer. Goldie, Dara, Fiona, Lovely, Bingo. Oh no, I can't find my friends. Have you seen them? I think they've lost in the middle of the forest. Tara, the turtle. Goldie, the goldfish. Fiona, the frog. Lovely, the lovebird. And Bingo, my dog. They were lost in the middle of the rainforest. Will you please help me find my friends?
And now, in order to have a ticket to your trip in helping Tonya the Explorer find her friends, solve the puzzle through the alphabet treasure. The 3 password will serve as your ticket on the trip to the rainforest. Let's solve the word puzzle. First word. You're right, it's cold-blooded. Second word. Good job, it's warm-blooded. Last word. You're right, it's backbone.
Before going to the rainforest, there are certain reminders to you kids. So stop, look, and listen.
Reminders. Rainforests are woodlands composed mostly of all tall trees and extensive foliage cover. They are regions with year-round warm and abundant rainfall and occupy 6 to 7% of Earth's surface. They produce a large percentage of the needed oxygen on Earth. Rainforests are also estimated to house more than half of the world's plant and animal species, most of them still undiscovered. Here are the things to be found inside the first aid kit. Gloves, sanitizing agent, adhesive tape and gauze, antibiotic ointment, adhesive bandages, scissors and tweezers, elastic wraps and cold packs, prescription medications, and emergency phone numbers. Are you ready, kids? Let's go! For the first group, you have to find Bingo and Lovely in the middle of the rainforest, and find pieces of Bingo with the number 1 and find pieces of Lovely with the number 2 on its back. Then solve the picture puzzle. You also have to do the activity which is related to your topic for today. And finally, bring Bingo and Lovely back to Tonya the Explorer. For the first group, using Venn diagram, give words that will show the similarities and differences of Bingo the dog and Lovely the lovebird. Are you ready, Group 1? Let's go! For the second group, you have to find Tara and Goldie in the middle of the rainforest, and find pieces of Tara with the number 3 and find pieces of Goldie with the number 4 on its back, then solve the picture puzzle, and bring Tara and Goldie back to Tonya the Explorer. You also have to do the activity which is also related to your topic for today. For the second group, illustrate Tara the turtle and Goldie the goldfish through a drawing. Then, in not less than 3 sentences, describe Tara and Goldie. Write your answer below. Are you ready, Group 2? Let's go! For the last group, you have to find Fiona in the middle of the rainforest and find pieces of Fiona with the number 5 on its back. Then, solve the picture puzzle and bring Fiona back to Tonya the Explorer. You also have to do the activity which is also related to our topic for today. For the last group, make an acrostics from the name Fiona, highlighting her features. Are you ready, Group 3? Let's go!
Let's find out what are your observations to the features of the friends of Tonya the Explorer. Then, let's try to relate those to our topic for today later. At this point, please sit back, relax, and enjoy learning. Let's watch this. Welcome to the world of discoveries. For today, we're gonna learn about the characteristics of vertebrates. Are you ready to learn new things? Louder, please. Great! Let's start. Did you know that the presence of backbone is the most common characteristic among vertebrates? Yes, you hear it right. Vertebrates have backbone that provides actual support and houses the spinal cord. Most animals around you are vertebrates. Vertebrates are subdivided into 5 groups, like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Fishes are vertebrates. They live in water. They are cold-blooded animals. Their temperature depends on their surrounding. They lay eggs. They have scales for protection. Tails are used for locomotion. Fins are used for steering and maintaining balance. Lampreys and sharks are examples of fishes. Let's now have the amphibians. It came from the word amphibian, which means double lives. They can live in both water and land. They are cold-blooded animals. They lay eggs. They have legs and breathe through their lungs. They have thin, soft, and slimy skin used for breathing. Salamanders and frogs are amphibians. Let's now have the reptiles. They are cold-blooded animals. They live in both water and land. They have dry skin and hard scales. They lay eggs. Snakes, lizards, and turtles are reptiles. Now let's have the birds. Birds are warm-blooded animals. They have respiratory system. They have beaks used for eating. Some birds can fly because they have light bodies and flight feathers. Some birds cannot fly because they have small wings and heavy body. Parrots, ostrich, and lovebirds are among the family of birds. Let's have the mammals. Mammals came from the Greek word mama, which means breast. They produce milk to nourish their young. They are warm-blooded animals. They have fur for protection. They have more developed organ systems. Most mammals develop inside female's body. Placental, marsupials, and monotremes are groups of mammals. Placental mammals such as cow, dogs, cats, and even human develop inside the uterus with placenta that supply nourishment. Marsupial mammals develop inside a pouch such as kangaroos and koalas. And monotremes such as spiny anteater and duck-billed platypus are egg-laying mammals. Thank you so much for listening. Now, based on what have you learned from the video, please answer the following questions.
What are vertebrates? And how are the following vertebrates different from each other in terms of their characteristics? To sum it up, what are the 5 classifications of vertebrates? And what are the distinguishing characteristics of vertebrates? Let's play Pass the Paper game. Get 1/4 sheet of paper, please write your name and write one word that will answer the question given below. At the count of 3, start writing. Then at the count of 5, stop writing and pass your paper to your left. And do the same thing 3 times. How do vertebrates help us in our daily lives? Remember, after classifying vertebrates and determining their characteristics, you knew their great contribution in our community and environment. So let's be kind to all kind, not just mankind. Be steward of God's creation and show kindness to all creation. For your activity, complete the table on the next slide by classifying the following animals according to its group. Write only the names of the animals. Then, give at least 2 characteristics of each group of vertebrates. For your assignment, make a portfolio of vertebrates. Organize the picture or drawing according to their group. On the last page of your portfolio, write a journal on how studying vertebrates help you to become a better caretaker of the environment.
Thank you, kids, for helping me find my friends. It really means a lot for me. And also, you've learned new things for today's trip. And remember, always be kind to God's creation. Bye! See you next time! Now that you learned new things today, you can share this with your family and friends. Remember, be kind to all kind, be a steward of God, and show kindness to all creation. I am Teacher Thea, your scientific teacher. Bye everyone, have a nice day!